How to scan for channels on Roku TV. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily scan for local channels on Roku TV via the antenna setup. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Roku TV and then make sure that you are on the home screen. So once you do that, you are going to go to the right side of your screen and click on Live TV. Now, if you don't see the Live TV option here, you just want to go back to the settings menu, and then from here scroll down until you find TV inputs, and from here you just want to head over to Live TV. And if you don't have it, you can set up the input and rename the input. And once you do that, click on it. Now here you will have to set up your TV streaming. So in this case, you're going to select antenna and it will start scanning for channels. So after a while, you will be able to find certain channels via your antenna, and these will be your local channels. So you can just simply go to Watch Live TV to start watching those channels. What you can also do is head over to your home, click on Settings again, and then head over to Remote Devices. From there, TV inputs, and if you want to manage your channels, click on Manage Channels, and from there you will be able to edit your channels, and if you want to scan for new ones, you can always scan for new channels. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.